Good morning students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. So today the date is 12th November 2020 and today the day is Thursday. Our subject is EVS and day 62. So in EVS today our topic is water animal. Which topic? Water animal. Water animals. So water animals are those animals who lives in water. Okay. So first I want to show you this picture. What is this? This is a fish. Fish lives in water. Fish lives in water. This is, I am going to paste in water like this. Fish is a water animal. Fish. Now see this. What is this? This is a tortoise. What is this? Tortoise. I am going to paste this place. Tortoise. What is this? Tortoise. And tell me, what is this? This is a frog. When rain falls, you can see small and some big frogs near about you. Okay? Frog. What is this? Frog. Easily we can see many frogs in rainy season. Frog. And tell me, what is this? This is a dolphin. What is this? Dolphin. Dolphin jumps in water and it plays in water. Dolphin. And see, what is this? This is a duck. What is this? Duck. What is the sound of a duck? The sound of the duck is quack quack. This is a duck. Duck swims in water. What is this? Duck. Duck also swims in water. Duck. So again I am going to repeat. This is tortoise. This is duck. This is frog. This is dolphin. This is fish. All these are water animals. Now I want to show you some more animals in your EVS book. Okay. So let's start. So see, this is page number 64. Water animals. There are ducks, duckling, fish and frogs in the pond. It's fun to watch them. Can you see this boy? He is watching all these water animal in this pond. You can also see, what is this? Duck, and these are duck babies, duckling. Fishes, you can see fishes. And what is this? This is a frog. What is this? Frog. You have to also watch this picture carefully. Okay. Color the fish, the frog and the duck. You have to do color in this fish and then you have to do color in this frog and then in this duck. Okay. Come to this side. Trace the whales and blue color with blue color. Color the starfish yellow and blue whale blue. Trace the waves with blue. Can you see these waves? You have to use blue color to make these waves. Okay, these are, you have to make these waves, and then you have to use yellow color for this starfish, and then you have to use blue color for this blue whale. So let's revise the name of these water animals. What is this? This is a crocodile. What is this? Crocodile. This is jellyfish. What is this? Jellyfish. This is tortoise, starfish, blue whale, crab, octopus. What is this? Octopus. And this is shark. What is this? Shark. So already we have done these two pages. Now we are doing the revision of this topic. Fine. So we are doing revision. Be careful. Do it again. So learn the name of these water animals. Learn the name of these water animals. Again I am going to repeat the name of these animals. You also have to repeat with me. Say crocodile, jellyfish, tortoise, starfish, blue whale, crab, octopus, shark. Okay. So these are the water animals. Learn the name of all these animals. Okay. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.